everyone, this is Aisha from Delhi, Pakistan. Today we are going to unbox newly launched OPPO A7 smartphone. In an era of social networking, OPPO has gained space in market due to its selfie expert smartphones, and its latest A7 is also stupendous in this regard. Let's have a look at the box. On the front we can see A7 visual brandings and nothing on the back. The phone also comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM and 3D artistic textured design on the back with glaring gold will make you fall in love with it. Let's unbox this device. On the front we have an envelope like box with SIM injecting tool, silicone case and quick start guide. We got the nice golden glossy OPPO A7 which we will discuss in a while. Firstly we will be looking at the stock accessories which are in the box. We have a charger with 5V 2A rating and a charging cable. The device gives very glossy and elegant feels. Okay. On the right side of the device there is a power button, and on the left side of the device there is a volume rocker and SIM tray. OPPO A7 features 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with inherited water drop notch on the top and 19:9 aspect ratio. There is an earpiece grill and 16-megapixel AI-powered front-facing camera on the top of the device. On the back, there is a dual camera setup of 13-megapixel and 2-megapixel sensor with LED flashlight and fingerprint sensor. The bottom of the device shows speaker grill and micro USB charging port and a microphone. Let's quickly set up the phone and see how it functions. Now it's time to check fingerprint sensor. Now let's check the fingerprint sensor, and it's quite responsive. OPPO A7 also comes with a Face ID, so let's have a look at this feature. Okay, so let's check the Face ID unlock feature, and it's quite responsive. The screen gives vivid and crisp display which is quite impressive, and in settings we can see about phone. The phone comes with Android Oreo 8.1 with customized color OS 5.2. Now let's talk about its most exciting feature, which revolves around selfies. A7 AI album with automatically grouped photos by faces, names, places and scenes. The AR stickers will have many different avatars for the user to play with. You can also tag each image with multiple keywords. The SoC on OPPO A7 is powerful, proof of which is seamless execution of high-end games and applications simultaneously due to its octa-core Snapdragon 450 processor. With the 4230 mAh battery, you can stay connected with your loved ones for hours. You can entertain yourself for hours. For a detailed review, please visit the given link.